Welcome to another video in our series called Think 6, where we discuss interesting aspects of the next generation of wireless communications, aka 6G. Today, we will be giving an introduction to the metaverse and extended reality, an area considered as a killer application for 5G and future 6G networks. What is the metaverse? Is it more than just a 3D internet? It represents a convergence of physical and digital realities facilitated by technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. The question of what constitutes the killer application for both 5G today and 6G in the future remains a topic of considerable debate and exploration. While these killer applications are yet to be fully realized or defined, several potential emerging areas could transform how we use and perceive this technology. Among these, many industry experts consider the metaverse to be at the forefront. So, what exactly is the metaverse, and how does extended reality relate to it? First, the term metaverse originates from Neal Stephenson's 1992 novel Snow Crash, where it describes a virtual reality-based successor to the internet. The story follows hero protagonists, a hacker and pizza delivery driver for the mafia, and YT, a young skateboard courier, in their adventures within this digital realm. But is the metaverse simply the internet in 3D, or is it synonymous with Web 3.0? Well, the answer is nuanced. The metaverse, as we understand it today, is an immersive, pervasive, interconnected virtual 3D world, heavily shaped by extended reality applications. It's a space where people can gather to work, shop, play, and socialize. Unlike Web 3.0, which is primarily about creating a decentralized web using blockchain technology, the metaverse is about creating immersive experiential environments. While Web 3.0 focuses on the infrastructure of the internet, ensuring data ownership and security, the metaverse is about the experiences and interactions within these digital spaces. Yet, there's an intersection between the two. The metaverse could leverage the decentralized, user-empowered ethos of Web 3.0 to create environments where users have greater control and ownership of their digital assets and identities. This integration could lead to a seamless digital experience where the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds blur, offering unprecedented opportunities for social and economic interaction. So, the metaverse is more than just a 3D internet. It represents a convergence of physical and digital realities facilitated by technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. Now, before delving into technical specifics, let's categorize the metaverse use cases into 4 key areas: training, education, and healthcare. In classrooms, we merge physical and virtual learning environments, allowing, for example, a civil engineering student to virtually explore construction sites. The metaverse may revolutionize education by offering these types of immersive experiences. In healthcare, XR technologies elevate patient care with immersive experiences and advanced haptic surfaces, facilitating therapeutic interactions and remote caregiving. Collaboration. The metaverse transforms traditional workspaces into hybrid environments. It enhances video conferencing with extended reality, turning meeting rooms into spaces for immersive collaboration, including potential holographic communications. It enables more dynamic forms of collaboration, extended beyond conventional office setups to allow for comprehensive virtual participation and interaction. Digital twins. The metaverse is a game changer in manufacturing, logistics, and warehousing. It enables remote operation of machinery and virtual training, providing a competitive edge through access to advanced knowledge and skills. And last but not least, consumer, gaming, and social. The metaverse enriches home entertainment with immersive gaming and virtual experiences, leveraging Wi-Fi and 5G for enhanced latency and graphics. It redefines home spaces for diverse activities like gyms, entertainment, and office work. Digital enhancements in stadiums improve the live sports experience. The metaverse also extends to shopping malls, cinemas, theme parks, and live music events, offering AR technology and virtual interactive experiences. Who will create the metaverse through these vast experiences? It is not one company. This market map shows selected examples for each layer, and I'm sure you can recognize some of these companies and brands. Similar to the OSI 7-layer model in communication, the metaverse is structured around 7 layers. This 7-layer framework provides a comprehensive understanding of the metaverse, highlighting its potential to revolutionize how we interact, create, and experience digital worlds. First, there's the experience layer, which transcends physical constraints, offering immersive and diverse digital experiences, like massive interactive live events accessible to all. Discovery in the metaverse involves both inbound and outbound information sharing, which is crucial for community-driven content and marketing, as seen in the rise of NFTs. The creator economy layer reflects a shift towards more accessible content creation, with tools and platforms enabling users to become creators. Spatial computing merges virtual and augmented reality, blending digital and physical worlds, exemplified by technologies like Microsoft's HoloLens and the Apple Vision Pro. Decentralization is critical with the metaverse, expected to be open and distributed, leveraging blockchain, smart contracts, and open source platforms. The human interface layer focuses on integrating technology with our physical bodies, moving towards a cyborg-like existence with devices like smartwatches and smart glasses. And finally, infrastructure is the foundational layer, requiring advanced technologies like 5G and 6G for efficient operation and to support the complex systems of the metaverse. The concept of the metaverse often leads to the question of whether there is one singular metaverse or many. The reality is that the metaverse, as it is currently understood and being developed, is not a single unified digital universe, but rather a collection of multiple interconnected virtual spaces and environments. These can be categorized into different types, each serving different purposes and audiences. First, there's the consumer metaverse. This is focused on providing digital experiences for individual users. It includes virtual worlds where people can socialize, play games, attend events, and engage in various forms of entertainment. This type of metaverse is often what people first think of, a digital space for use and enjoyment. The enterprise metaverse. This is tailored for businesses and professional use. It encompasses virtual environments that facilitate remote work, collaboration, and meetings. In this space, extended reality technologies are used to enhance productivity and communication in a professional setting. This metaverse type is particularly relevant in the context of the increasing trend towards remote and hybrid work models. Then there's the industrial metaverse. This focuses on the application of metaverse technologies in industrial settings. It involves the creation of digital twins of physical environments and processes for purposes such as monitoring, simulation, and training. This type of metaverse is used for more efficient management of industrial operations, maintenance, and training. Each of these metaverse types operates with its own set of rules, technologies, and user experiences tailored to the needs of a specific audience. They're interconnected in the sense they are part of the broader concept of the metaverse, but they are distinct in their purposes and functionalities. From a market perspective, the industrial metaverse is here and now, whereas the enterprise and consumer metaverse are expected to pick up over the coming years. But that, of course, depends on a number of factors. To recap, here are 5 key takeaways on our topic of what is the metaverse. First, the metaverse is viewed as a killer application for both 5G today and 6G in the future. Second, it can be described as an immersive, persistent, pervasive, interconnected virtual 3D world, shaped by extended reality applications where many people can gather to work, shop, play, and socialize. Third, the metaverse supports a diverse set of use cases across training, education, healthcare, collaboration, digital twins, gaming, and social networking. Fourth, it will be created by a multi-layered ecosystem of companies, working in 7 areas: experience, discovery, the creator economy, spatial computing, decentralization, the human interface, and infrastructure. Fifth, the types of interconnected virtual spaces that comprise the metaverse can be placed in 3 categories: consumer, enterprise, and industrial. This concludes our introductory video on the metaverse. Thank you for joining, and stay tuned.